What's up, Capricorn? Welcome to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. Thank you all very much for being here with me today. I'm going to be looking into love for you guys, and this is going to be the middle of the time period, September 16th through the 30th. Keep in mind that these messages may have played out already, could be playing out currently, or could be about to play out, but give it time. Everything comes in divine timing. Also, if you have not subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, drop a comment down below if you resonate with anything here. Capricorn, we're going to get into what in you and your person of interest feel and how you both see each other in this connection until the end of the month. All right, so we're going to look at that, and then if you guys want to go deeper, I highly recommend getting you a personal reading. Check out the description box down below. That is where you will find the link to my shop. Check that out if you are interested. All right, so Capricorn, what I'm getting is a celebratory kind of energy coming through, happiness coming through, shared amongst the two of you. Okay, now this celebratory energy could be something that you both have advanced at, like, or maybe someone has achieved something recently, accomplished something, knocked something out, got something out of the way. Accomplishments, that's what I'm getting very, very strongly. Like maybe you finally received something, or you got a job done, or maybe they finally wrapped up some type of project, or they finally received something. So there's an energy where you two both feel good and confident about what you guys just finished, what you guys have been working on, or maybe it's just like a happiness that kind of overwhelms the two of you, and it could be just about each other. I'm picking up a lot of playful banter, laughter. There's a sense of humor that you both have toward each other, and this sense of humor that you have is really shining through. I'm picking up a playful energy, childlike, romantic energy, or acting like kids. I'm also getting something about like a partner in crime type of energy, PNC energy, like you guys are Bonnie and Clyde, that kind of thing, just really down for one another. Okay, your person could be your all, or you could be, their all, that kind of thing. That's what I'm getting here. Now, your person of interest and how they feel about you, Texas Hold'em. That's the first thing that came to mind, Texas Hold'em. So there could be, I don't know, I feel like this is the name of a game, some type of gambling, which I don't condone. But this could be someone who does. They could have a winning streak, a gambling streak right now for some. For others of you, this is more about something. Maybe it's something that they're watching on television, old westerns, or maybe they dress this way, or they're from Texas, or they visit there, they're going to Texas, or they've got family there. Or if not, then this could just be an energy where like they're kind of fitting this stereotype right now. Like maybe this is something about foreplay. They're dressing up as a cowboy. I don't know, this is going completely the other way right now, but I do pick up something about cowboy energy, Texas energy. Maybe it's that this person's just ready to bust a cap off in someone's, about you. Maybe this person is really not playing about you. So if this person has to go out and make a real life Western film, then that's what they will do about you. It could be that someone's been bothering you, Capricorn. Someone's been annoying you, someone's been threatening you, or someone's been intruding, or someone's been trying to tamper with your energy. Okay, and I'm getting that it's a masculine energy. I'm getting that it's some type of male, or someone in the neighborhood, the community, or maybe your ex. It could be, I'm getting ex strongly for some of you, but whatever it is, it's like your person's just like, listen, this is not going to happen while I'm with you, right? So this person is not playing about you, and I mean that. This person is not playing, and it's because they really, really love you. Your person's love for you is unmatched. This person feels like an undefeated champion when it comes to you. Literally, like Floyd Mayweather in the boxing ring. Your person will box up or do whatever for you. They're championing for your love. They do not play about you. This person could be a Taurus, because Taurians are like that about who they love. And it could be any other crazy zodiac sign that gets, like a Cancer, or like, let's just put it like this. They could be born in the summer months for some of you, or possibly even in Aries. So like spring and summer time could be for some, not for all of you guys, but this person's really respecting you. They have a lot of respect for you, and they know that the boundaries that you have with other people, other men, other guys, is because you have to protect yourself so much. Because some of you may have guys like doing things to you that are totally disrespectful or totally out of character. Maybe you're involved in something that is totally dangerous, a type of situation that is just like, why is this even happening to her? Like, this is a harmless woman, right? This is a oh my gosh, like, why would this be? So your person is just like, instead of them continuing to ask all these questions, they're not asking any questions about anything. This person is completely hands-on in this connection, and they don't care who is involved. They are not letting anything go down, right? So this person's like, not on my watch. Not on my watch. This person's so serious. I'm even seeing someone who's light-skinned, and they're getting red as a red hot chili pepper. Could even be someone that listens to the red hot chili peppers for some of you. Now, how you see your person, all right? You see this person, the number 5 and 7 could be significant to this connection in some kind of way. But you guys see your person right now going through a lot of changes spiritually. This is someone who could be learning a lot of things about ancient civilizations right now. For some of you, they could be learning, especially Egyptian or Kemet, could be learning a lot about that. Your person could be interested in that. Your person could be finding out things about that. Or maybe this person just has like a really, really big spiritual frequency or energy right now. So your person for you represents a sense of purity spiritually. What it means is that this person can like cleanse your energy. This person is cleansing your energy by removing evil, negative men away from this connection in order to give you a peaceful life. I'm also getting that this is someone who could be going through a massive spiritual awakening right now, where they're getting access to their Akashic records. This person's going through something that they probably never have been through before. Some of you are dealing with someone who's preparing to be a high priest or a high priestess if this is a female. You could find them wearing more white during this time frame. They could be drawn to wearing more white. Because in their naturally doing this, it may not even be something that's happening on purpose, but it's something that God and the angels are just making this person do. As they're learning more about real spirituality, they're starting to see that they should be more pure in it. So all the darkness, even like dark colors of clothing, you don't see them wearing that too much now. Because what's happened is that your person is being changed right before your eyes. And this is all for the better. This is going to help this person live more in love, harmony, and cooperation with the universe, with God. So right now, some things in what they're going through right now spiritually, they're silent. They're not opening up about it. They're not telling you anything until they feel they need to tell you this information. They're keeping things to themselves. They're keeping secrets about what's going on spiritually with them until they feel like they can trust you, right? That's why they're quiet about it. That's why they're not telling you about what they're experiencing spiritually. That's why they're not talking to you about why they're changing, why they're not really wanting to wear too many dark colors. They're switching more to light colors, why they are not really sleeping well, why they're keeping quiet overall is because they're going through something. God is cleansing this person and purifying them, okay? So the way they see you, they see you as a high priestess energy. The high priestess, I don't use tarot cards. I never did. I don't use that. But I don't think there's anything wrong with them, but I just never used them. So, but I am familiar with it. And the high priestess energy it really is just a highly evolved woman. Like, what that means is that a person who has gone through several steps on their spiritual journey, and you're being honored and revered for your compassion, understanding, and selfless service to your people. So what this means is that you are generous to people. You always want to help your family or help the community or help your friends or people around you. You're always nice. You're always understanding of what people go through. You're down to earth. You will help people and don't ask for much in return. So that's how they see you. They love this. They love that you embody this feminine wisdom and you're able to channel spiritual guidance to help other people, and they admire that about you. Right now, you could be in a stage of developing more psychic or spiritual skills. At this time, you're really tapped into your feminine power, and that feminine wisdom is shining through. Being that on your spiritual journey, you're constantly elevating, you're constantly changing, you're constantly learning more things. Your person is starting to see that you have a lot of knowledge now, and you know what you're saying now. And with that, they want you to really keep using your intuition, keep using your spiritual gifts, and make sure that you always do your work with integrity and have a passion behind it, because they can see that when you show integrity and you have all that passion behind what you do, that helps you draw more income, more support, more followers, more attention, more love, more compassion, understanding, and selflessness from others. You receive when you give. You're just really that kind of person, Capricorn, whether you want to fuss about it or not, right? Because some people may feel like that's an unfair life, that in order for you to receive anything, you have to give so much. But that's just really the cards that were dealt for you. And your person feels like that's who you are, and that's something that they actually love and admire about you. So keep being that way. And like I said, your person's going through a very spiritual time as well. You both are going through this. Your person is going through more of an awakening, and now they're starting to learn about ancient origins and ancient civilizations and ancient information, truths about the world. They're learning a lot more, especially being influenced by Egypt, especially Africa for some of you. But this is helping your person, even if they're not like African. This is helping your person access things that only God could help them to see more clearly. And so they're starting to change. They're starting to change, right? And as you evolve and you keep growing on your spiritual journey, they see you being more successful if you continue to use your gifts the right way, in the proper way. They can see more coming in for you if you do things the right way. And the more they purify, the more they're going to purify you. God bless.